What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel Stats from Scratch. Today I'm about to walk you through step by step and show you how to create a faceless video for your channel. And listen, I had a couple of requests for this in my comment section, so I hope you guys can bear with me. I'm gonna walk you through this, and I'm gonna try to make it quick as possible. I'm gonna start you off right here on Canva.com, where I where all my good business goes down. So let's start here. Now we're on the home page, and you see Canva is giving you so many options to do things, but we're just gonna say let's create a video, and you can choose this icon down here below the search bar, video. Now what kind of video? Let's say a YouTube landscape. Alright, now that we have our canvas, we're gonna add a video. So let's go to uploads, and let's say you're creating a meditation video. I'm sorry, let's go to elements over here on the sidebar. Now for elements, we go to videos. See all, and we'll type in kind of what we're looking for. So let's say serene. Another word I like to use in the search for these type of videos is reflective. And this is beautiful. Let's go with this for now. And once we click on this image of the video, it's going to come right over here to the canvas. We're going to click the three ellipses on this highlighted picture. Scroll down to the bottom of this search and set this video as the background. Alright, so now we're going to add the most important part, the audio. And there's a few ways we can do this, but I'm going to have to show you a real simple way you can do it. I'm going to take you out of Canva. How about that? We're going to open up a new tab and go to 11 Labs. 11labs.com. And from there, you need to create you a account here. I already have my account ready. I'm going to click over here on the side, text to speech. It looks like we already have some words here, but I'm going to take these out. This is old, and I see a lot of pause in there we have to take out. So when you're using 11 Labs, the thing is you cannot put words in this text that you do not want said or expressed in the audio. So if you got a comma or emoji, it's going to be spoken out all the way. Now, you do see you have several different options for voices over here on the side, but what I want you to do is just pick the first voice you see, which is free. I think it's Rebecca or Rachel. If you pick Rachel, I'm going to stick with Urbana because Urbana, I don't know what I called this, but this is one that I created with my own voice, and I think I paid for that option. I don't know. I have paid for 11 Labs a couple times. It's only about $5 a month. So if you can do it, jump on in there and grab it. It's worth it. Now for the text, I like to go to Chat GPT, which we'll do here. And I'm going to create a new chat. And in this chat, I'm going to ask Chat to create a 1-minute meditation for prosperity. I don't know if I spelled that right. Give it the relaxing and reassuring tone. And let's see what it get. Here we go. Prosperity meditation, 1 minute long. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the text by highlighting it. And then I'm going to click Control C. That helps us take a shortcut to copy. Now we'll go right back to 11 Labs, and we're going to hit Control V to paste the text into this search bar. Now, I already have my voice picked out over here on the side. I think you can try voice design over here on the settings over there, but we're going to stick with the voice we got. And you can take your time, play around with these. But right now, I'm just going to generate the speech. And this is how I've been creating my videos. If you the one out here asking me to show you how to do these and how to make these videos, this is it. This is my normal process right here. Although it's several different ways you can do it. Now for the first generation, it's, let's see if we can hear it playing. I am worthy of wealth. I am open she to receiving more. Up, ain't she? Picture golden light flowing in you within. Close your eyes. Ooh. Take a slow, deep breath in. Sounds too mean, honey. We gonna change this voice. I'm gonna go over here and feel your shoulders relax. Let's see how Elia sounds. There is no greater harm than that of time wasted. I like her. Let's go with her. Urbana is a little too strong. You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there. Let's go with Rachel. Rachel is the most common name here. So now we're gonna regenerate the speech again. Alright, as the speech generates, how y'all been doing today? Is everybody close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in. She's going a little fast. And let it out gently. But we're gonna roll with it. Feel your shoulders relax. So let's click on that. Feel your chest open. You are safe. You are supported. Now silently repeat to yourself. You'll be able to download this. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in. You do have the autonomy to come here and change the pace of the speech. You are safe. You are supported. Now silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of wealth. I am open to receiving. So once it finishes processing, it don't take long. We'll download this and take it over to our good friends on Canva. There we go. I'm not exactly happy or satisfied with this voice, but we're going to go ahead and roll with what we got. So let's get right back onto Canva on our untitled design. And I want you to go ahead and start making a habit to title these designs, okay? So you save yourself a lot of stress and time. Alright. And all I did was click in this search box there and he answered when I was done. Now what we're going to do is go to uploads. We'll go over here to the left. Hit this sidebar. Let's say upload file. Click the orange bar. I'm going to go to my recent files. And there we have 11 labs voice recording. And just hit play, see if that's it. Picture golden light flowing into you. That's it. Now we're just gonna click on it, and there it is. It's been added to the track. Now I do see that this might be a little bit shorter than the track. Let's see. The track is a couple minutes. I think it's a minute or so. Why don't we go ahead and duplicate our video so that we have enough space here for the audio. Now I'm just gonna click on this bar where the video is on the track and hit Control D, which is duplicate, and there we have it. So let's just hit play, see where we are. Like it's taking a minute to finish processing, so we'll just go back to the beginning and let's see if we can get it to play yet. Still processing now. Okay, so while we wait on this to process, I'm just going to show you now how to close your eyes, take a slow deep breath in. Music. We see the track is ready, the audio, the voice audio is ready. We see the video is ready. Now we're going to add some music. So let's go to elements. Over here on the left, let's go back from videos, and this time we're going to say audio, see all. And in audio, we able to type in different type of effects and sounds we want. So let's say meditation. In fact, I would like to add nature sound. Let's do that. Oh, I saw it. Meditation nature. Let's say nature right here. Search. And let's just take a listen by clicking play. Might be alright. I'm looking for some with bird sounds. Let's see. Tell you what, let's double up. Let's go back to the very first track and we'll just click that one to add to the video. But before we listen to it, always try to turn the volume down on the music so it don't overshadow the voice audio. I'll take it down to about 20. Stop here. And let's hit play and see what we're working with.
Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and let it out gently. Feel your shoulders relax.
I don't hear my music down here, so let's go back and we'll click on the music, which is the yellow bar. Go back to the top and select volume so we can turn it up. Let's give it to about 40, 45. Now let's hit play.
Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your chest open. You are safe. You are
still pretty low. I'm shocked. It usually overshadows the voice a lot. Why don't we go up to about 75, maybe? And hit play.
supported. Now silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of wealth. I am open to receiving more.
I don't know. Still feel a little low to me. I'm going to go back to the beginning.
Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in.
No,
close your eyes. Low. Take a slow, deep breath.
So I'm going to turn the volume up a tranche. Maybe we need to go back to 95 and hit play.
Picture golden light flowing.
Okay, I like that. Now, just to show you some of the options that you have when you create these videos, I'm going to add a riser to the beginning of this track to wake my viewers up. So let's type in riser and let's see what we have. Woo! That was a little heavy. Let's take number 2. Got that right at the beginning. We'll turn the volume down a tranche from 100 to 50. Close to 50 as we can get. Let's go here. Now hit play. See what we're working with.
Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your...
Alright, don't be mad at me. What I'm going to do now is look for some birds. In fact, let's say nature. Nature forest. Let's see what we got. I love it. Let's take that and go back to the beginning of the track. Slide that bar back and let's hit play.
Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your chest open. You are safe. You are supported. Now silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of wealth. I am open to receiving more. Picture golden light flowing into you with every inhale, filling...
Alright, what do you think? I think we did a great job, guys. We got this sucker done in what? Maybe 5 minutes or less. But you have a totally completed video that you can add anything you want to. You can add a text here. Maybe you wanted to say prosperity across the screen. Then we expand it. Slide it over to the middle. And I would like to maybe take the little transparency out of it so it looks a little distant, but people can still faintly see it. Let's go in a little bit more. Alright, there we have it. Alright, you got your prosperity meditation faces video, and you only use 2 different apps, Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. So you used 3 different apps to create this video, and I'll even show you how we can upload this joker. Now, what we're going to do first is download this. It's an MP4. Now that it's downloading, it don't take long. Let's go to a YouTube. I'm going to pull up my channel, and I'm going to upload it with you here. We go to the home page, click create at the top of the screen. When it opens here, we're going to select a file. Oh, I don't know if we got it downloaded yet. Let's make sure it's fully downloaded. Nope, it's still going, y'all. So while it's going, let me tell you how happy I am right now with these results that we getting on this channel. I've had people commenting, telling me how the channel is helping them, how what their expectations are. I just feel so blessed to be in this spot, to be able to show how we can transform and go from nothing to something in the blink of an eye. Now the download is complete. I'm gonna stop all this chit chat. I'm talking too much. Let me get over here and select this file. Looks like we got it here, and there we have it. That's all it takes. You add your details. I'm just gonna keep saying next, and we'll just keep saying next. We'll mix that on out, and then we can add it privately. We can upload it unlisted. We can upload it public, or we can schedule it. I'm gonna take my time and schedule this sucker because I do want to add a nice looking thumbnail, of course. Now today's the 29th, so we're gonna add it for the 30th, and we'll go to PM. Let's do 3 p.m. All right, and let's schedule it. Okay, now we'll be able to see this as an upload on our video channel. All right, guys, there you have it. Now, how quick and easy was that? You can always use this tutorial to create a faceless video for any kind of channel. If you need more help with this, reach out to me right here or at stacksfromscratch@gmail.com, and I will see you all in the next video.